everyone, we just tried a new place out for us in Anaheim. It's called the Kroft. It's in the Anaheim packing district and it's all different kinds of poutine. And so we're super excited because we got a Loco Moco, which if you haven't been to Hawaii and you don't know what Loco Moco is, it's usually rice with a hamburger patty and gravy with a fried egg on top. So we got Loco Moco Poutine, so we're really super excited to try this out.
We just opened it up and this is the first time ever looking at it, and this thing is massive. It probably weighs a few pounds. This was about $12, and I can tell you this is more than enough food for Crystal and myself, and it looks delicious.
The Loco Moco has a beef pork blend of meatloaf, fried egg, brown gravy, cheese curds, fried onions, ketchup glaze, and green onions. The Loco Moco poutine was super delicious and we highly recommend you check it out if you go to the Kroft. The Kroft is located 1.8 miles away from the Disneyland resort at the Anaheim packing district. If your family has a hard time agreeing on what to eat, the Anaheim packing district is worth checking out. It's basically a high-end food court with lots of different food options that should make everyone happy. We will leave a link to the website below. Unfortunately, the packing district does not allow filming inside. That's why we don't have any footage. If you don't feel like leaving your resort, the Kroft does offer delivery through all the major food delivery services. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you.